Do you want to learn how to navigate Active Directory 2019? Make sure you watch this entire video as we'll give you a crash course, maybe without the crashing. Before we begin, if you don't know how to access the Active Directory users and computers MMC snap-in, then you might want to look at the link below to the video that will show you how to do that. To navigate Active Directory 2019, you need to think of this as like you're browsing files and folders on your computer. On the very top of this hierarchy level of Active Directory users and computers, this is actually your domain controller, noted as a computer name and a fully qualified domain name, or FQDN for short. Below this object, you'll find two objects called saved queries, where you can save queries that you might want to call up that you use regularly. The next object you will find is our actual domain itself. Before we begin exploring the domain, let me talk about some of these icons on this menu bar here. This left and right arrow buttons allow you to go back and forth like you normally do in your Windows File Explorer. This button here allows you to hide and show the console tree. This button here allows you to refresh. Sometimes objects do not update. This one allows you to export items to a list. This button here allows you to ask for help, which is not very helpful. This button allows you to show and hide the action pane. And these buttons here, they're very important, allows you to create a new user in the current container or organizational unit. This button allows you to create a new security or distribution group. This one allows you to create a new organizational unit. Organizational units are like folders. This allows you to set filtering options. This button allows you to find folders or objects in your Active Directory. And this button here allows you to add the selected objects to a group you specify. There's a few extra things that might need to be worth mentioning. If you click up on View, it's Advanced Features and Raising Domain Functional Level. Advanced features allow you to show hidden attributes on Active Directory objects or hidden containers. This can be very useful to actually bypass delete protection on Active Directory objects. This is our directory structure under our domain. If you had advanced features enabled, you will find more folders will appear. If you click on the built-in container, you'll find a list of security groups that are available on the domain local level. If you click on computers, you'll find there is no computers at the moment, but every computer in your domain most likely ends up in this container. This is not a container, but actually an organizational unit. This is where all the domain controller servers or computer objects will end up. It will have its name, type, and what DC type it is. In this case, GC means Global Catalog, and what site that domain controller belongs to. If you click on this, this is a custom organizational unit that I have created for these tutorial videos. If you click on this object, this is where all users, security groups on local, global, or universal level will appear by default. These security groups, no matter if they're local, global, or universal in the users folder and in the built-in folder, they should stay in these containers. If you move them outside, you might find that certain domain controlling functions become broken, and I speak from personal experience. To summarize this video, I've shown you how easy it is to browse and navigate Active Directory 2019, in particular the Active Directory users and computers MMC snap-in. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot to us. You can help us out by becoming a Patreon or buying stuff from our shop. Otherwise, you can like, share, comment, and watch more of our videos. Until the next video, see you later.